I'm just in the shed making a little birdhouse. I get a bit lonely sometimes. When I get lonely, I just think to myself, just go and do something. I haven't got a girlfriend, so rather than getting lonely, I just pot around in the shed sometimes. So I've made a little birdhouse. Absolutely brilliant. I'm just looking in there to see if there's any birds in there, because I left some nuts in there, but maybe that might attract squirrels, but then squirrels won't fit in there. Maybe I should put a little bit of bread in it, but yeah, good. I might have a girlfriend. I've got my own birdhouse.